All right, guys, I want to share some good crypto news with you. Okay. So, we're going to talk about two main things that are coming that are going to positively impact the crypto market. And I want to hear your opinion on these. And yeah, so we're going to share that. So, right now, before we get into that, the market is down just a little bit, down 2%. Bitcoin is down 2.5%, but you can see XRP down 3%. You can see kind of everything's in the red. I think this is a little bit of a bleed down, if you will, a little bit of a sell off before we roll into the Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States. And a lot of people are kind of taking their eye off of the investing ball, and the bears are stepping in to kind of do the things that bears do. Okay. Before we get into this, before I tell you what I got for you, I've got a really cool thing for you. There's a link in the description below that literally says Black Friday. Go check it out. This is a brand new thing that I'm coming out with. So if you want to get access to this, all you got to do is put your name and email here just to get access and secure the deal. You can watch this video right here that will tell you everything about it. But this is going to help you get ready to dominate the crypto market. So links are down there. All you got to do is go put your email and your name in and go check that out. I promise I will not send you spam. This is something you're going to want to see. It is really, really cool. So it literally says Black Friday right deal down there. Okay. All right. So what is it that we've got coming in the very near future? Well, I'm going to remind you of something. So just to make sure you guys can see this, let me make this a little bit bigger. So effective December 1, so about 6 days from now, the Federal Reserve is going to officially end QT, quantitative tightening. Okay. That's when they're going to end that program. Okay. So this was introduced back in 2022 to address tightening liquidity conditions in money markets and basically, to try to help the Fed with their balance sheet, all this kind of stuff. But more importantly, what are some potential impacts of ending QT? Again, and the AI engine here is giving it to us. And I think that this goes directly to the heart of what it is, the issues that we're facing with the crypto market. Okay. So we have been in a restrictive policy environment with quantitative tightening in place from the Federal Reserve. And by effectively ending that December 1, we are going to see increased market liquidity. Okay. So the Federal Reserve is going to start putting money back into the financial system, which helps stabilize reserve balances and ease liquidity strains. Crypto needs liquidity. The financial markets need liquidity. That right there. Lower borrowing costs. Okay. So in essence, we could start to see the price for going out and buying a car, buying, a house, what have you. This is going to help shape the economy and help spur the economy. It's going to help take away a lot of the fear and the unease that's in the market. Okay. Support for asset prices. Okay. So it removes a headwind, an obstacle for stock and bond markets. I would add crypto markets, providing a more supportive environment for risk assets. Obviously, crypto is a risk asset, okay, because you're starting to see how this is impacting. Again, we talked about this is going to boost the housing market, but ultimately, I think this is going to help shift investor sentiment. Ultimately, at the heart of what has been playing out with crypto has been a negative investor sentiment market that we've been seeing play out, okay? That's really, really been I think it's one of the main problems that we have with the crypto market. Okay. And we're going to see reduced interest rate volatility ending QT. So we're going to start to get less predictable than interest rate hikes. We're going to stabilize the bond market, more predictive for institutional investors and things of this nature. It's going to enter a lot of stability into the market. Okay. So the ending of quantitative tightening effective December 1, 6 days from now, is a good thing. Okay. So the second major thing I wanted to share with you is that we are in 14 days, 20 hours right here. You can see it. We are now expecting the Federal Reserve at an 84% probability to give us an interest rate reduction in the base Federal Reserve interest rate. Okay. This is, again, something that literally, guys, last week, this was all the way down into the 30 to 40, high 30, 40%. I think it was 30-ish percent. Yeah, 32%, if I believe correct. So we've had, in essence, a 50% swing. Now we are hearing some positive things coming out from the Fed that they're going to give us to. And so ultimately, this will help kind of go in line with some of the things we talked about where, ending the quantitative tightening. This is going to help as well. Okay. Ultimately, this brings us back to a place where this is good news for crypto holders. This is kind of a sign of good things to come. It's not something that a lot of people talk about, which is why I want to talk about this in this video, kind of give you guys a walk around the park so that you could understand how big of a deal this was. Okay. So before I let you go, I got another Black Friday deal for you if you're interested. So I've got a Black Friday sale for X1 Algo, which is my trading indicator. We've introduced some new products. Let me show you what one of those products does. Right here, you see this where this is circled. This is called the X1 DCA accumulator. And this product tells you when is a good time to buy or not buy any crypto asset. Now, the software does a lot more than this, but we created this. This is taking into consideration a tremendous amount of data to present this very, very simple looking little graph here. And you see this is the Bitcoin chart on the 1 day, and it's showing you that Bitcoin right now is at an extreme discount. Said a different way, it is a good time to buy Bitcoin as an example. Okay. And if it was on the other side, if it was over here on the euphoria side, that would be not a good time to buy Bitcoin, or if you were looking at a particular crypto asset. So it really gives you a really good way. And we named it the XRX1 DCA accumulator, dollar cost average, kind of a good way to maybe to accumulate and DCA into a crypto asset. So you can see like right here, this is XRP. And you can see that the chart looks a little bit different. See, it's not all the way over here on the extreme discount end, but it is still in the accumulation zone for XRP. So it's showing that XRP, as an example, is still a good accumulation at this current price of approximately $2.18-19. Okay, and as the price of XRP goes up and as it starts to get overbought, it will start to show you, hey, it's not necessarily a good time to be buying a particular asset like XRP, Solana, whatever crypto you may be looking at. Okay. So there's a lot of other cool things you get in this Black Friday sale. There's a link in the description below to go check out the Black Friday sale for X1 Algo. Definitely check it out. It is a lifetime membership. If you're interested, it is a lifetime, and you get this product only. You get this product. This X1 DCA accumulator is in the lifetime. You do buy the lifetime, which is currently sitting at $9.97, and it's going to go up in 16 hours. Okay, so check it out. There's a lot here for you to check out. There's way more, and there's even more value. There's actually 4 indicators in one inside of the suite of the X1 product lineup. Okay, so you need to check that out. Okay, and you get access to a lot of other cool things. Also, if you become a lifetime member, it's a single lifetime charge, $9.97 one time, right? Instead of saying $40, $50 a month or whatever it may be. You get all future exclusive indicators for free. So as we add more product to this suite of products right here that you see laid out, as we add more, you're going to get those for free for being a lifetime member. So if that's something of interest of you, check it out right down there, pick it up, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.